Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to this Restore Your Energy 10-minute chakra energy meditation. Welcome to this little nook of the internet, a soft place to land, a quiet corner made just for you. Allow yourself to get comfortable now. Find a position, sitting or lying down, and adjust your body in whatever way it needs. When it feels right, let your eyes close softly. Feel the weight of your body being supported. The surface beneath you holding you so you don't have to. Gently place your hands by your side or in your lap. And notice the places where your body makes contact. And let yourself sink just a little more. Bring your attention to your breath. Feel the air move in and move out. As you breathe in, feel a gentle sense of arriving. As you breathe out, feel yourself settling in. With each breath, your body grows calmer. With each exhale, you soften and sink slightly deeper. There is nowhere else you need to be. Take a few more slow breaths here. Allowing the outside world to fade and the inside world to come gently into focus. Stay with your breath. Notice its natural rhythm, the gentle rise and fall. You don't need to change it. And yet with every breath, you find yourself drifting just a little bit deeper. As you breathe in, awareness turns inward. As you breathe out, the surface begins to fade. A quiet deepening into this meditation, breath by breath. Each inhale draws you in, and the more you breathe, the deeper you go. Let the spaces between breaths grow soft, those small pauses where nothing happens and everything rests. Simply remain here, breathing, sinking, settling. Bring your awareness to the base of your spine, your root, your foundation. Feel the weight of your body supported, held safely. With each inhale, allow the root to fill with calm. With each exhale, release tension, sinking slightly deeper. Shift your attention gently to your lower abdomen, your sacral center. A warm, gentle energy rests here, flowing quietly, softening, allowing vitality to return naturally. Breathe into this space, simply noticing the energy. Now bring your awareness just above your belly to your solar plexus. Feel the subtle strength here, a core of personal energy, quiet power, calm confidence. With each breath, it gently restores. As you move your attention up, we come to the heart center. In the middle of your chest, feel warmth, softness, a gentle expansion, as if your chest is quietly opening. As every inhale, light and calm energy flows in. With every exhale, you release what no longer serves. Move your awareness to your throat chakra. Notice the space here, a soft openness, a quiet clarity, allowing gentle expression, no words, just presence. Simply feeling. Bring your awareness to your third eye, between your eyebrows. A calm, quiet awareness. A soft insight, a subtle light. With each breath, your mind feels still. With each exhale, it releases tension. Finally, bring your attention to the crown of your head. Feel a gentle connection, a soft lightness, a quiet energy. Resting here, allowing everything above and below to be balanced, whole and calm. Pause here, rest in this quiet awareness, the body and mind gently aligned. Now bring your awareness to your entire body, from the tips of your toes to the crown of your head. It is one whole, restored. Energy is returning naturally, flowing quietly through every part of you. Remain here for a moment in this deep calm, this quiet, restored place. Begin to bring awareness to your body as a whole, from the tips of your toes to the crown of your head. Allow your attention to slowly spread from the quiet center of your being to the edges of your body, to your hands, to your feet, softly awakening and gently returning. Notice any small sensations, gentle pulses, warmth, soft movement. And when it feels natural, invite a small movement of your fingers and toes, perhaps a gentle stretch, a soft roll of the shoulders, letting the body slowly remember itself. Keep your breath slow and gentle, anchoring this restored energy and allowing it to settle quietly in your body. When it feels ready, softly bring awareness to your eyes. Open them very slowly. Carrying this calm, balance and restored energy with you. Take one final gentle breath and feel it settling deep within. We've come to the end of this meditation. Thank you so much for being here and spending this time with me and giving yourself this time to restore your energy, your internal flowing energy. And I will see you in the next one.